Join me as I take on the challenge of building wealth with a Roth IRA starting today, and see if I can make my money work for me. When it comes to building wealth, one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is a Roth Individual Retirement Account, or Roth IRA. By utilizing a Roth IRA, you can create a nest egg that will provide you with tax-free income in retirement, giving you the financial freedom to live the life you've always wanted. Many of us are aware that we should be saving for retirement, but the reality is that a significant number of people are not saving enough. In fact, according to a recent survey, nearly 40% of Americans have less than $1,000 saved for retirement, and a staggering 25% have nothing saved at all. This can be a daunting reality, especially considering that traditional methods of saving, such as 401ks and Social Security, may not provide enough to live comfortably in retirement. Furthermore, the uncertainty surrounding the future of Social Security and the increasing cost of living can make it difficult to feel secure about our financial futures. Moreover, the burden of student loan debt and other financial obligations can make it challenging to prioritize retirement savings. And to make matters worse, the lack of financial education and retirement planning can lead to a sense of overwhelm and inaction. In addition to these challenges, many people struggle to get started with retirement savings because they don't understand how to prioritize their financial goals. Should they focus on paying off high-interest debt, building an emergency fund, or saving for retirement? The answer is not always clear-cut, and this uncertainty can lead to paralysis and inaction. A Roth IRA works by allowing you to contribute a portion of your income each year, up to a certain limit, and the money grows tax-free over time. This means that when you retire, you can withdraw the funds without owing a dime in taxes. Additionally, Roth IRAs offer more flexibility than traditional IRAs, allowing you to withdraw your contributions at any time without penalty or taxes. However, it's essential to understand that the funds you contribute are made with after-tax dollars, meaning you've already paid income tax on the money you're contributing. The good news is that anyone with earned income can contribute to a Roth IRA, as long as they meet certain income eligibility requirements. To qualify for a Roth IRA, you must have earned income, and your income must fall below certain thresholds. For the 2022 tax year, you can contribute to a Roth IRA if your income is below $137,500 for single filers or $208,500 for joint filers. The contribution limit for 2022 is $6,000, or $7,000 if you're 50 or older. It's also worth noting that you can convert a traditional IRA to a Roth IRA, but this will require paying income tax on the converted amount. Take, for example, the story of Alex, who started contributing to a Roth IRA at age 25. By the time Alex retired at 65, their Roth IRA had grown to over $1 million, providing a comfortable source of tax-free income in retirement. Alex's story is a powerful reminder of the importance of starting early and being consistent in our retirement savings efforts. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about the freedom and security that comes with knowing you've taken control of your financial future. By starting a Roth IRA today, you can take the first step towards building the wealth you need to live the life you've always wanted. So, don't wait any longer. Take control of your financial future and start building wealth with a Roth IRA today. Remember, every dollar you contribute is a step closer to financial freedom. What's your retirement savings plan looking like? Share with me in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on personal finance for more tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.